If you need to sort a table alphabetically in LibreOffice Writer, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. Whether you're organizing names, products, cities, or any other list inside a table, sorting it alphabetically can make your document much easier to read and manage. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. On the left side, under Create, click Write a Document if you want to start a new file, or simply open the existing document that already contains your table. Once your document is open, scroll to the table you want to organize. Now click anywhere inside the table. This is important because it tells LibreOffice that you want to work with the table and not the rest of the document. If you want to sort only part of the table, select the rows or the column you want to sort. For example, if you have a list of names in one column, make sure that column is selected before moving to the next step. Next, go up to the top menu and click Table. From the drop-down menu, choose Sort. This opens the sort settings where you can control exactly how your table is arranged. In the sort window, choose the column you want to sort by. Then set the order to ascending if you want alphabetical order from A to Z. If you were sorting in reverse, you would choose descending, but for alphabetical sorting, ascending is the one you want. Before you confirm, take a moment to double check that you selected the correct column, especially if your table has more than one field. This helps make sure the data is sorted properly and keeps the rest of your table aligned the way you want it. Once everything looks good, click OK. LibreOffice Writer will immediately sort the table alphabetically based on your selected column. You'll see the rows rearrange automatically, saving you from having to move everything by hand. This is a great way to keep your documents neat, professional, and easy to follow. And that's it. You've successfully sorted a table alphabetically in LibreOffice Writer. It's a small feature, but it can save a lot of time when you're working with lists and structured data. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.